Zach Christman coming at you live again from SEMA. Want to talk about things related to technician ease of use. What about ADAS? John Bean's got you covered right here with the Tru-Point. Technician ease of use. Literally follow the on-screen display and prompts. Shop preparation, best practice, vehicle information, all that stuff's right here on the screen. Simply read the information, move forward to the next step. When it comes to placing a target correctly, accurately, right the first time, you're simply going to follow the native on-screen graphic, moving the frame from its spot into the white dotted box. Graphic's going to turn green, letting you know that you've placed the target in the right spot accurately, correctly the first time. Move on to the next procedure, perform your calibration. Super easy to do, lets you perform a successful, accurate calibration right the first time. Hofmann Armored 2400P. Super easy to use, touchscreen navigation, close the hood, auto profiles. Simply push the numbers to move to next weight planes. Pair that with our power clamp and our light truck kit. That's going to allow us to do heavy wheel assemblies, single wheel, dual wheel applications correctly the first time. Load the thing up, close the hood. How much easier can you get? Ease of use, we want to talk about frame measuring and blueprinting. Check out the Carliner Bench Rack Versa. Flush mount configuration. We simply set the wheel buckets anywhere you need depending on your wheelbase. 3-inch rise or less approach. We can get a Corvette on this thing, something as big as an F-350. We can go to a tall rise where wheels support it, so we're gonna get a better accurate measurement than just letting stuff dangle for blueprinting on a 2-post lift. We can go short, we can go tall, we can go long, we can go whatever. How's that for easy? Keeping with the theme on technician ease of use, check out the Challenger mobile column lifts. 5K, 12.5K, 14K, 19K. You can pair these things individually all the way up to a set of 8. You can work on different frequencies. Super easy to use touchscreen. I can just simply park this thing. It's automatically going to find a lock and level itself out. Battery operated. How much easier can it get? At Total Shop Solutions, we are techs and we know techs. What's important to you is what's important to us. Be sure to check us out. TSS got you covered.